Hey everybody, so today I'm going to create a really beautiful glitter red smoky eye. So I'm going to actually start off with the Free Lover Cheek palette, and the colors that I'm going to use are the two on the right, which are called Amore and Loves Me. And because I'm going to do kind of a red smoky eye, I wanted the blush just to have hints of that. And then the highlight I'm using is called Disco Night, so I'm putting it on the top of the cheekbone as well as down the bridge of the nose. Then Laguna Bronzer, I'm going to use circular motions with the Achio brush and just really bronze up the outside. So the forehead, the outside of the face, contour under the cheek, and then the jawline, just to really warm up Juliet's complexion. Then I'm going to use a raw brow gel, and I'm going to back comb the brows and then comb them up, give them a nice fluffy look. Then this is Black Moon eyeliner, and this is a more creamy version. So the eyeliners come in Mambo or Black Moon. So I'm putting it all under the eye and into the crease with the eye open, just get the shape of the smoky eye. And then the outside of the top lid and along the lash line. Then using a small brush, I'm just blending it out, just smoking it up just right above her crease. And I'm kind of leaving the center of the eye without liner because I want it to be a little softer. Then some loose powder, and I'm just going to buff out the edges of the smoky eye. And you've seen me do this before, it really helps to diffuse it. Then this is the Inferno palette, and I'm using the color Rock Freak, which is kind of like a matte rust color. And I'm just pressing that all over where I put the liner and just smoking it out and blending out the edges. I've put a little bit more loose powder to soften it. Then this is High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner in Broadway, and I'm just tightlining the waterline on the top and the bottom, and it has a nice red undertone. Then I'm taking a little bit of glitter, and and the color name is Turn the Beat Around. It's like a multicolored glitter. I've used it on a previous post. Climax Mascara, top and bottom, just to really load up the lashes. Then this is Bali, and I'm putting it through the brow, just to fill in any gaps. This is a favorite trick of mine. I'm using Get It On Powermatte Lip Pigment and Misbehave them. And it actually works really well because you get the longevity of the Powermatte, but then the softness of the gloss. And because of the red, it really works together. And that's my completed look. Thanks for watching. See you next time.